Hello to you, I'm Jessie Johnson. This is What Are the Real Stars in the Heavens? The Lies and Deceptions You've Been Taught Since Childhood. This is part 1. And we'll start. We have a North Star. What is the name of the South Star along the same line as the North Star? North Pole and South Pole are on or along the same line. The Polaris North Star doesn't move, and all stars circle it. All stars would circle the South Star, and it wouldn't move. And east to west rotation from a spinning ball-shaped Earth. Now, to begin, what are we taught from childhood about what the stars in heaven are? We are taught the heliocentric religion model of the stars, or simply the political and economic reversal of scientific fact. That's what we are taught from childhood till death. The political and economic reversal of scientific fact about what the stars are goes like this. We'll start with A, the heliocentric religion stars. Number one, the sun is a star. 2, the stars are suns. 3, the stars, the heliocentric religion stars, are balls of gravitationally compressed non-electric plasmic gas. Number 4, the heliocentric religion stars run by extreme heat and immense pressure to produce hydrogen fusion. Number 5, the heliocentric religion stars are light years from Earth. Number 6, the heliocentric religion star needs parallax to find their motions and distances. Number 7, the heliocentric religion stars, the sizes of are tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of miles, or tens of millions of miles in diameter. Number 8, the temperature of the heliocentric religion stars is millions to tens of millions to hundreds of millions of degrees. Number 9, the heliocentric religion stars, their lifetimes are in the several of billions of years or more. Number 10, but none of them are more than 15 billion. Number 10, the structure of the heliocentric religion stars are spherical, made of concentric spherical layers. Now, let's talk a little about the real stars. The real stars, as far as I can tell, A, the temperature of which is 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. They are made up of cold plasma. B, the size of the real stars are 20 miles to 1,000 miles in diameter. C, the real stars, the composition of is ions, electrons, powerful electric and magnetic fields, powerful electromagnetic forces, compressed lightning, plasma. I will explain plasma a little in part 2. But the real stars are electrical, magnetic, electromagnetic, mass fields, ether fields. And let's go to D. The lifetime of real stars, as far as I can tell, are regenerative billions. We'll go to E. The distances of the real stars is between 2,000 miles to 100,000 miles. We'll go to F. The surface field force. The surface field force of real stars is most probable 2 to 5 pounds per kilogram of acceleration, downward acceleration force. We'll go to G. The locations of the real stars is several thousands to tens of thousands of miles from Earth. We'll go to I. The methods used for real stars are equal distance magnification, basic equal distance magnification, basic trigonometry, angle of elevation, basic celestial navigations, triangulation, plasma physics, electricity, magnetism, basic electricity, basic chemistry. No parallax is ever needed. J, the motion of the real stars is that it circles Polaris east to west. K, the frequencies of the real stars is in the visible spectrum, having different frequencies also, different colors, different wave forms, different pulsation forms, different light cymatics, not only sound cymatics. L, the real stars, the magnifications needed are only such as the sun only requires 23x magnification to 55x magnification minimum. The moon requires only, as a minimum, 21x magnification to 55x magnification. Polaris, the North Star, only requires 65x to 130x magnification. All of these are considered at an average of 50 miles diameter. We'll go to N. The structure of the real stars is light hexagonal, light rectangular, light circular, no center in some, centers in others, three-dimensional, of course, but not a solid, a liquid, or a gas, even though gases most likely are in fact used to light them up. We'll go to O, the energy level of real stars. The real stars are explosions of energy inside of extreme compressed magnetic fields and ether fields. The methods used are very simple. A P1000 telescopic camera, which is a 3-in-1 camera, in such that it is a telescope, a still picture photograph camera, and a video camera in one. Also, basic equal distance magnification is used. We'll go to P. Parallax cannot be used, and the stars the real stars cannot be parallaxed. We'll go now to equal distance magnification. Hold on, please. I'm going to move the camera. Now, this is basic equal distance magnification, the heliocentric religion lie you have been taught. The first type of equal distance magnification is called diametrical or diameter. We'll start with A, the moon. You have been told by the heliocentric religion that the moon is 2,300 miles in diameter approximately, and 240,000 miles on average distance from Earth, wherein 240,000 divided by 2,300 equals 104x magnification needed. At 104x, the moon would look like a simple point of light and nothing more. You would see no contours or dark and light patterns on its surface. The second type of equal distance magnification is non-diametrical, where diameter is not used. Basic equal distance magnification used to prove light years don't exist. B, we'll go to B, the sun. You have been told by the heliocentric religion that the sun is 93 million miles average distance. Hence, 1 billion miles divided by 93 million equals 10.75x magnification. And there are 1,000 billions in 1 trillion, such that 1,000 times 10.75x magnification equals 10,750x magnification. And that's equal to every 1 trillion miles. Now, 1 light year is 6 trillion miles, and 10,750x times 6 equals 64,500x magnification. Hence, 64,500x magnification equals 1 light year. It is physically impossible to see anything with the unaided naked eyes that is 1 trillion miles distance from this earth. Now, what to say of 6 trillion miles? You have been brainwashed. You have been lied to. Now, the Polaris star, the North Star, in the heliocentric religion universe, the heliocentric religion is said to be 323 to 447 light years away from Earth, such that 64,500x magnification times 323 equals 20,833,500x magnification needed. You cannot see anything from this Earth requiring 20 million x magnification with eyes or machine. Human beings cannot create machines that can do that. For the 447 light years, 64,500x times 447 equals 28,831,500x magnification needed. And this can be done using both types of equal distance magnification. You cannot see anything with machine or human eyes that requires 20 and 28 million x magnifications. Now, we will go to part 2, and that's where we will meet. And have a good day, and we will meet on part 2. Please share this video. Meet you on part 2.